Hi and welcome back to my channel. I'm Jenny and this is LaShenny21Nails. Today I'm sharing a beautiful package that I received from BeautyBigbang.com. Here's a little card with their social media information. And what they included in the package is their 5 brand new Christmas stamping plates. So I'm going to go ahead and go through each one individually and share them with you guys. Each plate comes with its individual sleeve with a beautiful decoration. They also included the number of the plate that goes inside the envelope. This one is number 30, and we can see the name right on here, Beauty Bigbang XL030. I always say the same thing, but the Beauty Bigbang stamping plates are so well etched, and I love their new designs. They're so cute, and you get such a great variety. Let's remove the protective film. XL031. I'm going to be sharing lots of beautiful Christmas manicures using these plates. 032. One of my favorite images on this one is the cute little Christmas lights. 033. And the last one is 034. There are so many beautiful images to choose from on these plates that I'm so excited to get started on creating beautiful manicures for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Let me know if you have any questions or comments. And remember that if you want to make a purchase on BeautyBigbang.com, you can always use my discount code Jenny010 to get 10% off your order. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Bye! And if you haven't had a chance to subscribe to my channel, I invite you to do so by clicking the subscribe button.